I made your picture look really old.
You know, you made my picture look old.
Oh, see? I did the old setting.
Okay, that's...
Like back at the Western
Let me see that. Let me see that Western day. God, it just looks...
I Westernized the picture. You don't even know. Henry.
I don't know me.
Henry, are you okay?
Are you videoed it? Oh yeah, let's take that. What? Woman, you gotta...
Where are we right now, guys? Florida, bitches.
Somewhere
No,
in
we're stopped
Georgia.
at a stoplight, but yeah, we're in Florida. We're still in Florida at a stoplight.
Somewhere in Georgia.
Florida doesn't get any less cooler because you're at a stoplight. Only gets cooler.
I like to make this distinction.
You'd like to
that
make
there's,
something.
That there's Florida, and then there's
Florida
Miami,
at a stoplight.
or South Beach. You know, there's
We're in the coolest part of
There's
Florida.
Florida.
And then
There's Florida.
there's Florida, and then there's Florida.
What kind of car are we in?
Florida and Florida.
What kind of car are we in?
Only a minivan.
Yeah, minivan.
What color
This is
minivan?
this is pretty much as cool as I've ever felt in my life.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ilya came to Florida just to become a soccer mom.
Mhm.
Oh, a soccer mom.
Yeah.
Ilya's taking his kids to practice tomorrow. Holla, who's bringing the orange slices? This guy.
Totally forgot about.
This guy's bringing the orange slices.
Oh, daddy's in trouble.
Oh, daddy.
Over and out.